This is Motorola Moto G53, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So to begin with, you can either find the Dolby Atmos app on your phone and open it, or you can go into settings, enter sound and vibration category, and in here you'll also have the Dolby Atmos section. So once at the Dolby Atmos app, just read, for example, this instruction if you want to, grant all the necessary permissions, and once you'll go into the settings, at this point the Dolby Atmos is active, enabled and set up, so it is actually in use. But in the settings you can change the preset of preferences and settings that is used, but you can always manually set it to be smart audio, which is that is the option that will automatically switch in between those modes in accordance with the best possible scenario for any given situation or any given device usage pattern. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.